Hi guys, we are gonna to see today how to make a caricature from an image of yourself. It's very easy and will take you less than 2 minutes to do this with AI. So first what you have to do is to take a picture with your face. Second, you have to go to Google and type Gemini Nano Banana. Then go to this link and press Get Started. After that, you can press Chat, and here just press this little icon and press Upload File. Then you have to upload a photo with yourself. So I upload a photo with myself, but now I need to give a prompt. And let me tell you quick how you can get more prompts like this from where you can get. Well, we have a community in Whoop, so you can join for free. Just press the link below. And this is our community, made to learn. After you join, you can find so many links, prompts, images, resources, so many things. Of course, now is new, we just started, but in future you will find so many things. And you can interact with our post as well. So you can see here, AI caricature prompt. Turn your photo into funny AI caricature using this free image prompt. So you can find the prompt here, just copy. And this is your prompt. Also, the prompt for this video, for that caricature, I will put in the description below. So you can see here, turn me into a caricature. You can react with nice, ugly but funny. You can comment here. You are welcome to come in our community. Okay, after you upload your image, you have the prompt, just paste the prompt. This is all you have to do. You don't have to change anything in the prompt, just paste the prompt and press run. And now, after a few seconds, you have a caricature with yourself. Before it's generated, let me tell you one more thing very quick. What you can do with this skill, you can take like a skill. Well, you can use for yourself, just for fun. You can use as a gift, so you can do someone caricature and then print or put in the frame and give like a gift to him on his birthday. Or also you can sell. You can go in Etsy, for example. If you type caricature on Etsy, you can see here it's 53 pounds, 27 pounds, 18 pounds. So right now you can make a lot of money before everyone knows about this. And this is what Nano Banana make for us. So we give our picture prompt and Nano Banana make this for us. You can see it's really good. But still, if you don't like it, just press again chat just to refresh everything and upload the image with yourself again, paste the prompt again and press run again. And then just wait for another few seconds, and now you can see different style of our caricature. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next videos.